also the solo NDC primaries. We have other aspirants step down for Honorable Philip Onwuka. Then we have two other contestants, aspirants, Honorable Okejo, who is the sitting rep, and Honorable David Odijo. Earlier, we have counted Honorable Okejo's delegates, and it scores 340. Then Honorable David Odijo scored 309. Right now, we are counting Honorable Philip Onwuka's delegates. Okay. We are in 361 and 361 and still counting. Look at the crowd. Also the solo is going to make history today. Yes, look at the crowd. Look at the solo seeking for good governance, good representation. This is to show that when you don't, the solo don't tolerate bad representation. You want to serve long, you go to the solo, you have to represent us well. When you don't represent us well, you know what? We'll replace you immediately. This is from the Choma reporting for the solo.